Today we're going to be jumping into the Boltune True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. On the front it has some instructions on how to use and how to set up. Inside we've got a self-titled little book here about support, and they have 12 to 30 months of support. Quick start guide for the Bt-Bh024. Put them in your ears, turn on Bluetooth, select Boltune Bt-Bh024. Once it's connected, it will play. Also comes with a user guide, which has a lot of information. All right, here's the case, and as you see, it has like a cloth exterior on the case. It's got the charging port in the back as well as the power button. Comes with your serial number on the inside. It has the nice connectors to put inside your ear. These are the charging pins, and then it tells you if it's right or left. It comes with a mini charging cable that's about 4 inches long, and it has additional connectors for your ears, just in case your ears are bigger or smaller. The case actually has a spring-loaded hinge in there. That's pretty cool. And you can see the little LED light that it has charging capacity inside the case. When it is in connection mode, you see that the LED light is blinking. All right, so they fit pretty well in the ears. And the great thing is the bass is actually really good inside, and it has really clear treble. So I actually really like this. I'd probably give this about a 4.5 or a 5 stars out of 5 stars. It comes pre-charged at 90%. It takes about an hour and a half to completely charge the batteries, and the sound quality is really good. All right, so the call quality is pretty good, and what I really like about these is that the volume in the EarPods is rather loud. I've actually gotten some of these here before with other brands, and you're not able to turn up the volume very loud, so sometimes it's kind of hard to hear when you're on the phone. I went ahead and called my loving wife, and she said she could hear me. That's always important. And the call clarity is really nice. You can hear very clear when you're talking to somebody else. So I definitely give it a thumbs up, and like I said, about a 4.5 out of 5 stars, maybe even 5 stars. It's pretty nice. It's probably one of the clear, best sounding quality that I've seen in EarPods, and we've done maybe 10 to 15 in the last year and a half, so this is a good one. Thanks for watching. So on the description, these boast about 7 hours of playtime and 42 hours of playtime when charging it up to 5 times on the charging case. These actually run about 5 hours of playtime if you're listening to them on 90 to 100%. So fully charged, it runs about 5 hours, which is pretty good if you're doing work and stuff like that. 5 hours, you know, if you are at work, you could charge these up on your lunch break, and then it would be ready to go for another 5 hours. So the length on these with the sound quality, the treble and the bass is actually pretty great, and I'm pretty excited about these. Boom.